Number 4 is Monoprice Maker Ultimate 2 3D Printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that offers incredible value for money, the Monoprice Maker Ultimate 2 is a top choice. This advanced printer has features that make it both convenient and capable, making it an excellent choice for professional makers and hobbyists. One of the standout features of the Maker Ultimate 2 is its auto bed leveling system. This eliminates manual adjustments and ensures the print bed is perfectly level every time. Additionally, the built-in filament detector automatically pauses the print job when the filament runs out, allowing you to reload and continue without interruptions. Another key feature of the Maker Ultimate 2 is its fully enclosed design. This helps maintain internal temperatures and protects your prints from environmental factors that can cause curling, splitting, or other issues. The internal lighting system provides a clear view of your print progress without needing an external light source. The Maker Ultimate 2 is also highly energy efficient, with a maximum power consumption of just 200 watts. This makes it a cost-effective choice for those who want to reduce their environmental impact and save on energy costs. If you want this printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.